dry. Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite.
Hi vlog, good morning. We're on our way to Tennessee. We're going to move Addie into her apartment. I'm so excited, but it is a long trek. We have Sailor with us. Hi Sailor.
5 hours and 5 minutes.
5 more hours, 5 minutes. Nice. Whoa, you scared me.
Oh, she's so happy.
This is our second stop. We stopped at JMU in Virginia for coffee and a bathroom break. Our first one was in Annapolis. And now we're back on the road until we either have to pee again or if we can make it. But the odds of me making it 5 hours without having to pee, pretty much none.
I just got another venti drink.
Yeah, right? I was supposed to get grande, but they ran out of grande cups.
I said the same thing. And they were like, oh, we'll just put it in the grande. I was like,
and it
may as well make it a venti.
Yeah, I mean, it basically ends up being the same thing. But I'm so excited, we're road tripping.
It's going by pretty fast.
It is going by
Kind of a
fast.
boring drive.
Are you okay?
She's so scared.
Look at her little smile.
Rising from my bed with the pain. I hope that one day I'll feel better. Living every day all the same. I've seen my life with us together. You got the time that you needed, that you needed. You got the heart that you see.
Better go to the bathroom. Come on, Queen. So far so good. Like, this angle might look normal, but really we had to do a little improvising and it actually worked out exactly how I said it would. So, but no, yeah, I had to stack my carry-on on top of me and Addie's is down there, but it works. We're literally driving down the street to her apartment. Sailor, like, actually not right now. Shut up. Addie! Come on, Sailor! Come on! Oh, so cute! Addie! Oh, it's so cute! Dude, can this thing come off? Yeah, I think it has to be removed, but that's so cute. Okay. Double up. Yay! Yeah, good. We just made our last trip in here, so we have everything from the car. It wasn't too bad going up and down the stairs, honestly. Like, it was the hallway. Like, when we had a heavy box or something, like, feel like my hands would start hurting, but whatever. In general, actually not that bad, but now we're kind of just unpacking things. I'm trying to set up TV and also get connected to the Wi-Fi because it's so confusing for no reason. Making progress. I haven't really done that much. Sorry. Living room's a little more set up. Kitchen in progress. I'm just like moral support.
She's just rolling around shitting all over the business. Are you in a good mood now?
We're back.
No, not because you weren't before. I mean, like, are you so happy now? I didn't say it in a mean way. I just said you're in a good mood now.
Okay, are you in a good mood now?
No, I'm in a horrible fucking mood.
Perfect. Well, we just went shopping and the day is not over yet. We actually still haven't found everything we need.
We're going to Trader Joe's and Whole Foods.
And a hardware store.
I have nails. Are nails even gonna hold that? We need a screw. We need a drill. Can you pour with me? How much do you think a drill would cost? They're not that expensive. Like, would that work? It's 30 bucks.
Don't buy a drill.
But that way I can take that thing off the side and I can drill the thing in. Cheers.
Addie made us some al dente pasta.
It's very sus, but it's good.
No, it's so good.
Did you do an apartment tour?
No, I didn't do an apartment tour yet. We can do that like tomorrow when we have stuff morning pickup. Yeah, we're just doing a little night in, a little bit of wine. Been watching Bachelorette.
We're busy.
So busy. Anyways, that's all from us. Addie and I have been obsessing over this candle for like months now.
Chocolate.
No,
Or
it's
like chocolate espresso.
it's like chocolate mocha. I mean, cafe mocha. Oh.
Is it good with like the double thing?
No, it does not at all, Addie. It looks so good.
Like too much.
Or you could go like this. I'm gonna drop these. You could go like that.
Or should I put them on the other side of my
Or you
thing?
can just put them in here.
Yeah, I might get there.
In front of this thing, it's kind of weird, huh?
But then wait to come around here, and it just from here actually. Because then so way up there, that's the hill. And it's funny she said because of
Sailor's scared of my suitcase. Bye, apartment.
Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
Love you.
Forever. Forever. Forever.
Okay, if there's a thing we should.
what type of dog is that? You have to edit this out.
I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you, everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite